Hi guys, I bought this automatic cat litter box because we were tired of scooping the litter box. So we got this automatic one. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up and show you how it operates. Alright, I got this litter box all installed. It's doing a clean cycle right now, as you can see. I like the overall look of this litter box. We've been using one of these for a while now. We just got this new style one, so it's kind of cool how it operates. So that's how the clean cycle works. And there's a kitty. Says, "Look, that's my litter box. Gotta wait." Oh, she's gonna go in and use it. All right, well, the cat likes it, as you can see. Well, there you have it. You saw the cat get in there and use it, and the cat covered it all up with the litter. And we'll go ahead and hit that clean cycle. It does have automatic clean on it, but let's just go ahead and watch it clean that litter box. It does have auto clean, so you don't have to hit that clean button. But I just wanted to hit that clean button to show you how it operated. So if you guys are in the market for an automatic litter box, go ahead and get this one. It's going to work great for you. Thanks.